So hello guys, good evening. Yun, magandang gabi. For update lang tayo. Bali, this is the sad moment of our life here in Doha. Dahil yung aking kabarkada araw-araw, yung aking kasama araw-araw, yung mukhang mapapahiwalay na sa akin. Dahil ibinebenta ko na si Snow White, guys. Masakit man sa atin, kailangan kong makipaghiwalay kay Snow White. Dahil ako ay uwi na ng Pinas at hindi ko naman siya pwedeng dalhin. So kanina may tumingin na buyer sa kanya. Binigay niya tinanong niya ako magkano, so binigay ko yung presyo ko. Tumawad siya, medyo maliit ang tawad. Sabi ko, hindi ko ibibigay. Then ngayon, while kami nanonood di mamita ng TV, tumawag ulit kung nandito raw ako sa bahay. Sabi ko, nandito ako. Pupunta raw siya after 10 minutes. So, hindi ko alam kung kukunin man niya, si Snow White o... So, guys, tignan na lang natin mamaya. Ha? Pero ganun pa man, tumawag pa lang guys. Tumawag pa lang guys yung customer, si Mamita, nag-iyak na. Kasi si Mamita, ayaw magpakita ni Mamita. Nag-iiyak na si Mamita. Siyempre, malungkot kami. Especially ako. Pero, ganun talaga ang buhay eh. Hindi ko naman siya madadala sa Pilipinas. Kung pwede lang, talaga nga, dadaling ko siya sa Pinas. Kaso hindi talaga pwede. So, waiting kami ni Mamita. Waiting kami kung doon sa ano. After 10 minutes daw, darating na yung darating na yung buyer. So, hanggang check nyo na lang nabulol na ako guys. Check na lang natin mamaya. Ha? How much
200, 250.
so I will transfer? No. How?
That one only. We are discussing only for that. What do you say? I'll give you that one money.
Yeah.
We are requesting for only one.
No, but how much is so it will be only 11,800 like that. I ask you 12,000. Yeah, I'm vlogging. I have a YouTube channel now.
Which one?
Katotos TV.
Still live? Okay, we are coming for the Sunday evening.
Sunday evening.
Yeah. What are you?
So, yun guys. Bali, nagkasundo na kami ng buyer. Bali, nag-down siya sa akin ngayon ng 500. Then, sa Sunday evening, ibibigay niya yung kabuuan na 11,500. So, niya ang tawad dala niya, ako ang magpapa-rehistro. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. At medyo malungkot ang ating video dahil magpapaalam na sa atin si Snow White. So, yun. Ayaw ko man, kailangan gawin para moving forward. Yan. So yan guys, nandito na ako sa loob ng bahay. So yan na yung mga item namin, medyo, sensya na kayo, medyo magulo na. Kasi, na kami. Nagso-sort out na, nagpa-packing, tapos sinesend na namin. Actually, nakakalimang na tayo, 6, no? Nakaka-6 na kami na pabagahe. Pero still have maybe mga 4 pa itong magiging balance. Pero ang tansya ko naman talaga, makaka-10 pabagahe. Tapos siya na yung bumili ako kagabi, yung ating vlog kagabi. Yun yung kahon na binili namin, lalagyan namin ng aming TV. Iuwi rin kasi namin TV. Kasi napuro namin mas mahal ang TV sa Pinas kaysa dito. So iuwi na lang namin yung TV namin. Tapos si Mamita hindi na naiyak.
Kasi nandyan pa.
Ano, ayun, bugso ng damdamin yung kay Mamita eh. Biglang lungkot ba, biglang hindi mo inaasahan. Kasi kanina, may tumingin, sabi ko, hindi kami nagkasundo sa presyo. Siya rin yun, tapos maya-maya, tumawag, kukunin na raw nila dun sa presyo na gusto ko. So, yun.
Nakasar ko si daddy akong ano.
Inaasar ako ni Mamita, sabi ni Mamita, naku, mawawala na si Snow White. Siya umiyak.
Sakit kaya.
Masakit, sa akin masakit. Di ba, araw-araw ko kasama si Snow White, tapos biglang pero ganun talaga. Sometimes we need to let go for the better. Diba? So guys, good morning. So officially, si Snow White ay hindi na akin. Dahil ngayon ay natapos na namin. Siya yung nakabili kay Snow White. Natapos na namin yung transfer ng owner. So, magkakahiwalay na kami ni Snow White. Na si Snow White, aking kasama sa loob ng mahigit 10 taon.
Because this, maybe I take my car, I go alone.
Hello guys. Tayo ay pauwi na. Ang bilis namin nag-process sa change owner. Wala pa yatang we change very fast, no?
Here, very fast.
Maybe only less than 10 minutes, no?
No, 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
No, 5 minutes very fast.
Yes, here very fast. If my country, your country.
You come morning, you go afternoon.
After and also need the ransom. We finish quickly. Give some money.
Yeah. Same, ha?
This bullshit. That's why good people cannot go in the country working.
So yun guys, nakapag-change na nga kami ng ownership. Officially, hindi na ako ang may-ari kay Snow White. Ayaw ko mang mangyari pero kailangan gawin. Dahil hindi ko naman siya maiuwi sa Pilipinas. But it's okay.
Okay. My girlfriend also Filipina before. Left.
Yeah. This is the way also we...
You always use this one. This is
Yeah, also yesterday we go this way, no?
Yes. But if I come here, that way use. I also do same land business.
Land business?
Yes, like say money.
Bangladesh?
Like money. Like money.
Like money there?
Yes.
You will check one deal, then for rent.
Yes.
Okay. I thought you already have Mappy.
No.
Only Munira.
Yes. Inshallah, maybe next month it will be.
After your surgery.
No, this is a house. Surgery tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yes. After surgery, take rest, but then you check one villa, no?
How many days need rest?
1 week?
1 week?
1 week like that.
Oh my God. Income, no income.
What about the income?
No driving.
Just take care of yourself. No problem. Income will come after you're ready to work again. You go. But as a take rest, no? It's not all money. Also, you take care of yourself.
No money, no honey.
I know. But how about
money is very dangerous.
if you're not allowed to work, then you go to work. There's something.
Yes,
it will come worse.
Yes.
No more money, alatul.
Yes.
Take care of your stress.
This money is very dangerous. Shakespeare, Shakespeare, he's
Aywa, malam Shakespeare, ha?
yes, he's written one quotation. Money is bad master, but it is second god in the world.
Yeah, because most of the people, they praise the money, no?
Yes, they uses the money bad way.
But not me. I can live without money.
Okay, no need too much money.
Yeah.
Just
When you die, you cannot bring your money, no?
yeah. So need just little good normal food,
Yeah.
normal house, normal life. Colors.
And they said also the money is the root of all evil. Yeah.
Yes.
So, no need. You have enough, that's enough. You have food every day. You give your children a good future. Enough.
I already give my one
See?
elder daughter doctor.
Yeah, you already have a doctor.
Another one also inshallah.
Oh,
It
see?
will be. So no need to the.
Time to live your life, no? You
Yeah.
enjoy. But you don't want to go back to Bangladesh, na?
You listen to me, brother. You also, I tell you, you also suffering that problem after. After you, I'm sure. You 2 years after you come back here or there in any country.
I hope not. I hope not.
I hope they can stay. But I see, lot of my friend, lot of my relative.
Maybe they did not make proper use of their money.
No,
They go-
no, because there is what problem. We are honest here. Yes, we are coming here and honest here. We forget everything. Our past life in the what we are doing in the country. Okay, they are telling lie, cheating, like this. Okay, here coming, we forget everything. So people in country, they are what thinking that fool people coming. We are making them fool. They coming making drama. Brother, I have very big problem. I am sick. Give me 20,000. Okay, loan. After 1 week, I give return to you. Going there, the giving. After when they are getting money,
You like this.
getting money.
Why not go inside?
Yes, that crazy. If you are going after when they get money, after you cannot find out.
Yeah, kalas.
Balance.
Scammer, no?
It's scammer, like it's scammer. You giving one shop, they are coming. Give me credit, yeah. When they are getting credit, after you not find little, big. After no more find out.
Yeah.
That is the big problem.
That's why take care of your.
Yes, you cannot tell lie. If someone coming, brother, I return you. I cannot take because we are school here. So, and I cannot tell lie. I can't that I don't want. So, the time we are going to the feel money like big. I didn't take care of this. So, now no. Okay, I give that mark.
Goodbye, Snow White. Papakapit ka, ha? Alagaan mo din yung bago nagdadakig sa'yo. Kagaya na siya naman sana. Alagaan ka din niya na... Ayan guys, umalis na si Snow White. Kakalungkot. Pero ganun talaga. Ayun ayun tumatakbo na si Snow White palayo sa akin. Dati hindi tumatakbo yan nang hindi ako kasama. Pero ngayon, ayun na Parang ano na. Wala na. So, yun guys, wala na si Snow White. At ako ay babalik na sa bahay. Napakabilis lang ng aming naging transaction. So, umalis kami ng bahay ng alas 7 ng umaga. Natapos kami ng ano oras na? 7:30. So, ang bilis lang namin dun sa ano. So, hanggang dito na lang muna guys ang ating vlog. I just show you how easy it is para mag-process ng mga dokumento at kung ano man ang ayusin dito. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Siyempre sa mga bago sa channel ko, please subscribe ka Totos TV. Tapos pakihit yung ating notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga video. Okay guys, bye-bye!